My name's Nancy Eisenhart. I'm 54 years old. Right now I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 children and 2 grandchildren. I'm married. I've been married for 32 years. And then after I had children, there was a problem. It wasn't something that inhibited my life, but as I got older, it kept getting worse and worse and worse to the point where urine would just come out. I wouldn't get, a sign that I had to go. I wouldn't, feel like I had to go. It would just come out, or suddenly I'd get an urge to go and I couldn't get to the bathroom on time and had to start wearing diapers at night to be able to sleep with my husband. And one time I went in a store and I had to run into the ladies' room and ask my son to go buy his mother underwear and jeans to put on. Yeah, it was awful. I was afraid to go anywhere. I knew where the bathrooms were in every single place I went and didn't stray far from them. Just really, it was emotionally, it was very, very difficult. I, just got to a point where I just couldn't take it anymore. So I did tell my PCP, my primary care physician, that, the problem, and I was very, I told her exactly what was going on, and so she said, well, I think you should see a urologist. And so I waited for a while. I don't know, I just kind of felt like there was nothing anybody could do.
Almost 40% of adult females, and to a lesser extent males, have some element of overactive bladder with frequency, urgency, and urgent incontinence. And it's a multi-billion-dollar problem in terms of products, over-the-counter products and solutions that people buy for dealing with incontinence every year. Most patients don't present with the severity of symptoms that Nancy had. Most have more mild symptoms of just frequency, urgency, and occasional urgent incontinence. But Nancy's symptoms were quite severe by the time she met me. She was even wetting the bed and having fluid incontinence out in public that really she had no solution for. She failed medications, and she was really an excellent candidate for Interstim therapy. And Nancy's story is such a powerful story about that Interstim has really changed her life in such a positive way. And it's so rewarding to be able to do that for her and help her in that way.
Having this surgery, the Interstim therapy with Dr. Shaney at Wills Eye in Wilmington has been an experience that has changed my life enormously. It's impacted everything I do, everywhere I go or can go. I don't isolate like I used to, and I'm a much happier person, and I like myself a lot more.